She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold.
Hey, beautiful babes, it's your girl, Sweet Angel. Today's video is all about the benefits of avocado oil for skin and hair. Avocado oil is a popular cooking oil, but it is also popular in beauty and pampering as well. This oil is an ingredient in many types of creams, moisturizers, and sunscreens. I wanted to share just some of the benefits of avocado oil for the skin and hair and how I use it. Avocado oil is a thick and luscious oil obtained from the fatty flesh of avocados. The extraordinary powers of avocado oil lie in its beauty benefits. Avocado oil can be used externally and internally and can give your skin an incredible glow, promoting your health inside and out. It has a low comedogenic rating, so it generally will not clog pores. It's generally safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Avocado oil is bursting with antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin E. Now we know that vitamin E helps to keep the skin hydrated. It is also known as tocopherol. It is a vitamin and antioxidant that deeply nourishes and protects your skin and hair. Also, it contains vitamin A, which helps protect the skin from harmful environmental damage. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, and is an antioxidant that can help prevent free radical damage and increase collagen production. Avocado oil also contains vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K, and vitamin K will help to maintain the elasticity in your skin. Gosh, it's bursting with a lot of things. Phytochemicals, fatty acids, oleic acids, palmitic acid, beta-carotene, linoleic acid, lecithin, and Docosadienoic acid. That is a lot, but just know that each of these compounds make it an excellent product for the skin. It is greatly useful in the skincare world for its amazing moisturizing, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, healing, and nourishing properties. Get youthful, glowing skin with avocado oil. Now the one that I'm featuring, you can find it on Amazon. Feel free to use my Amazon affiliate link below. But whatever avocado oil you pick up, be sure to purchase organic, unrefined, extra virgin cold press to get the maximum nutrients, because refined clear versions are stripped of a lot of beneficial vitamins. You want to make sure your oil is packed with everything that it needs to in taking care of your skin, your hair, your nails. Let's just go into the amazing things that avocado oil can help with. In reducing the signs of aging, it protects against UV radiation damage, anti-aging, and anti-wrinkle. It improves scalp health and hair. When applied to the hair shafts, it helps to detangle hair. It promotes hair growth because of its nutrients, especially vitamin E. It helps to achieve gorgeous, shiny hair without any greasiness, and it also softens the hair so that it is more manageable and can easily be combed. Apply directly to your scalp as a conditioner, or just add several drops to your shampoo before applying. Avocado oil is also great for reducing frizziness, and it promotes healthy looking hair. Now for the skin, it moisturizes and nourishes the skin. It's effective on its own and can be applied all over the body to keep your skin soft. And listen, if you have psoriasis and eczema, it helps to relieve inflammation. It's great for preventing and treating acne. When left on for short periods of time and rinsed off with warm water, avocado oil can keep the skin hydrated without leaving any oily residue. This may reduce the risk of acne. It also improves your nail health. Y'all know I love pretty hands, so make sure you use this around your cuticles and also use it on your hands to keep them soft and supple. It also accelerates wound healing, treats sunburn, and can be used as an effective massage oil. An enormous amount of uses of avocado oil. It's one oil that doesn't get its just due. Many people don't talk about it because many people don't use it. But listen, if you're looking for a great oil, if you're looking to even replace your coconut oil, this is a great one. You can use it for your beauty care as well as for cooking. Amazing, amazing oil. Avocado oil. Beautiful babes, I don't see why you're not using it. Listen, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you show me that by putting a like on the video, dropping me a heart in the comments section. If you have any questions regarding avocado oil and you need me or my beautiful babes to chime in, feel free to go ahead and leave your comments or questions below. And beautiful babes, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share me with your world. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.